a public emergency threatening the life of the nation. The European Court has considered the meaning of that phrase. Its definition of a public emergency is an actual or imminent crisis whose effects involve the whole population and which threatens the organized life of the community. And the crisis must be exceptional in that the normal measures permitted to the state for the maintenance of public safety, public order, are plainly inadequate. In 1985, the UN promulgated the Syracuse Principles to expand on the International Covenant, and they propose a similar definition to the European Court. And they say the crisis must be one that threatens the physical integrity of the population or the existence or basic functioning of institutions indispensable to ensure and project the rights recognized by the Covenant. They go on to say that internal unrest doesn't qualify unless it's a grave and imminent threat to the life of the nation. There is actually one case where a court has considered the meaning of the phrase found in Section 8.2c of the Trinidad and Tobago Constitution, and that was in Papua New Guinea, a case of Southern Highlands provincial government. In that case, the head of state declared an emergency in the Southern Highlands province, took control from the local government on the ground that corruption and bad administration had led to a breakdown in law and order. He said that was a public emergency, as defined in Section 226c of the Papua New Guinea Constitution, because it was likely to endanger the public safety or to deprive the community of supplies or services essential to life. Rejecting that proposition, the court said an organized attack by criminals of wide-scale proportion on citizens or government, if it reaches a level which causes civil disorder or cripples civil government, may come within C. It's not intended to include ordinary criminal activities. So if we accept those definitions, there's plainly a doubt over whether the situation described in 2011 would amount to a public emergency. But who decides that question? Is it a matter for the court? Let's consider the Constitution first. We're concerned with the proclamation by the President. We saw that's provided for by Section 8. Then under Section 9, within 3 days the President delivers to the House of Representatives a statement setting out the specific grounds